Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to make a blog post slider with Elementor free plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please go to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like WooCommerce, classified listing, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. If you want to edit product single page and category page, shop page with Elementor, then you can visit my YouTube channel and you can see I have published lots of tutorials on WooCommerce. Like if you want to edit the product single page with Elementor, then you can check this video. And shop page, checkout page, actually I have shown everything in WooCommerce, so you can check my YouTube channel. Okay, so very fast let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. If I scroll down, then you can see this is a slider which is the blog post slider. Actually you can see this is the dot and it has a navigation arrow. You can navigate from left to right or right to left. Okay, scroll down and then you can see this is the another carousel slider where I have shown the post. You can see it's very fancy and light design. You can see it has also the navigation arrow and a dot. If you want, then you can hide everything or you can customize it. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the another tab and this is my website where I want to add this type of post carousel or slider. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard. I have to install a Elementor free add-on. That is why just hover on plugins and click on add plugin and search here unlimited elements for Elementor. Okay, this is the add-on which we are going to use in this tutorial. Actually, if you want to add this type of carousel or this type of slider, then you will get lots of plugin, but I recommend it. That's why it has lots of style. Okay, only this single add-on you can add this type of carousel and this another carousel, and if you want, then you can add this type of post grid as well. So I think it will be perfect. So just click over here, install now, then click on activate. Then you can allow and continue, or if you want, then you can skip it. Actually you can see it's a message, actually never miss an important update. Actually I want to skip it. Just click over here. After install and activating the add-on, you will be redirected in this page. Actually this is the add-on settings area, you can see, and after install and activating the add-on, you can see new option is added in left side menu, unlimited elements. So if you want, then you can go to the settings from here like widgets, or if you want, then you can go from here. You can see very fast the home tab is selected. You have to navigate to another tab like widgets. That's why all available widgets in this tab. Okay, if you click over here widgets, then you can see this is the actually widgets categories. It has lots of category and lots of free widget. Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to add post carousel or post slider, so I have to work with post widget, and you can see very fast post widget and creative widget. Okay, tools and lots of widget. Actually I have to work with post widget. You can see this is the post widget and very fast it shows. Maybe you can see it bottom or middle. Just check where is the post widget. Okay, this is the post widget. Just click over here, then you can see it has lots of widget. Actually the most of them are pro and lot of them are free, so I want to use free widget actually. And you can see this is the post blogs, post grid, post carousel, and another is post carousel lite. I want to use both of them. Okay, so you can check and which is perfect for you. You can use any one of them. Just click over here, install. Okay, and click here. If you want, then you can see the preview before installing the widget. Okay, just click over here, install. Okay, these widgets are ready to use. Now we can use it in our website. So go to the website, and this is the website homepage. I want to add this post slider or carousel just under the hero section here. Okay, so I have to edit the page with Elementor. Just click over here, edit with Elementor. Okay, scroll down and just click this plus icon. That's why I have to take a new section. Click over here, then the plus icon again, then this box very fast, and from the left side top you can see layout, container layout, flex box, and content with box. Actually I want to follow it, and I want to give the specific pixel, like I want to give here 1905 pixel. Okay, and I want to change the background color. So click this 6 dot, you can see plus icon, then the 6 dot here, then navigate to the style tab, and this is the background. Actually I want to change it. You can see this is the background, and I want to give like white. Okay, then I want to give padding in this section, so I can give here like top will be 90 and bottom will be 90 pixel as well. Then click again here this plus icon, and container, give another container here, and it will be like follow it, and it width will be like 1280, and it will be middle. So navigate to the advanced tab and align self middle. Okay, then again click on this plus icon and search here post. This is the post, and you can see post carousel and post carousel light. Okay, so if you do not get them, just you can search here post carousel or post carousel light here. Okay, so very first I want to use it post carousel light. Just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see this is the post carousel actually. So very fast we can publish it. Then check from the website, go to the website and refresh it. Okay, you can see this is the carousel, it works fine. This is the navigation arrow, and this is the dot, you can navigate from here as well. Okay, let's check its settings. Again go to the Elementor editor, and very first general, you can see medium, large, max. Actually medium, large, it's perfect I think. Okay, so if you want, then you can change from here. Then autoplay loop, yes, I want to enable it, autoplay and loop, then the slider will play automatically. Okay, then the number of items 3. If you want, then you can change it from, if you want, then you can give here like 2. Okay, you can see this is the 2, and you can increase it like 4. Okay, so I think 3 is perfect. Okay, then the margin, you can change the margin. Actually I do not want to change it. If you want, then you can check from here. Okay, then you can check another settings from here. One by one you can see this is the actually show dot is X item. You can see it shows lots of dot. If you want, then you can change it. Like I want to give like 3. That's mean for the 3D image it will be show 1 dot. You can see currently it shows 3, and if you want give here 2, you can see. So you can manage the dot from here. Just scroll down and you can manage another settings. Just check from here. I can close this. Then the layout, this is the layout. Actually show arrow, actually I don't want to show arrow. I can disable from here. If you want, then you can use it. And this is the dot show category. Actually I want to show category, and you can see date. No, I don't want to show the date, so I can deselect it from here. Then the show button, you can see this is the button. If you want, then you can enable or disable from here. Then this is the arrow. Actually already I have disabled it. Okay, so post query, so you can show post from the custom post from here. Actually I want to show from the normal post, so I selected post. Then the include, if you want, then you can show here a specific post. Just you have to type post here. Actually I want to show all post. Then the exclude, then the publish post. Okay, you can lots of post, like you have to draft post, but I want, if you want, then you can show here the published post. Okay, that's mean which are published, this post will show here. Okay, then they scroll down, then you can see post pagination. Actually if you want, then you can enable pagination from here. You can see this is the pagination. Actually I don't want to show it, so I want to deselect it from here. Then again navigate to the style tab. You can see this is the item radius, this is the image. You can change this radius from here. You can see I think 20 is perfect. Okay, I think 20 is perfect. Okay, then the, if you want, then you can change from here. Just check the settings, then the content, height and padding, then the category. So check title. If you want, then you can change the title color, its typography, like, okay, just font family, font size. Then the button, this is the button. You can see this is the red more button. If you want, then you can change the background color from here. Okay, this is the background color. You can see the color has been changed, so you can change from here. And the hover color, I want to give another, this is the button hover color. Okay, it works perfectly. So then the nav dot, if you want, then you can change it. You can just dot color, I want to give it like blue. Okay, then the dot activate color, I want to give like red. Okay, you can see it works perfectly. So in this way you can use post slider or post carousel in your website. Just publish it, go to the website and refresh the page. Okay, you can see it works fine. So if you want, then you can use another one. Just click this plus icon and like here post. This is the post carousel, already I have used it, and this is the post normal carousel. Just drag and drop here, and its setting is same. Okay, so if you check this video, then you can understand this carousel setting as well. You can see this and these settings are same. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.